Mama, what you doing?
Me? I'm like sorting the little minis.
She's sorting all the bitty pops. I think she's trying to put them in order or something, but
I don't know. I just was, yeah.
Mama, do you want to take a break from that and open
Sure.
some Series 7 Doorables?
Yeah, Series 7. So,
We haven't done many of these yet, except in a Mega Peak.
ooh, and these have a find
Not a
and
Mega Peak, a Village
find
Peak.
and reveal. So some of them are color reveal ones that if you add water, or maybe if you use this little magic key, their color's going to change. That would be very cool if we get those.
And there's only 50 of these to collect. We do have some already from a Village Peak, but this one I think has the special edition and stuff like that too. So
Yes.
let's get it open.
There's.
All right, Mama, how many doors you think you got?
I'm gonna guess 5, but I'm gonna be optimistic and hope there's 6.
Yep.
Ooh.
Oh, to reveal number of figures, do we find the hidden Mickey?
Oh, that's
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think that's 5.
Well, that's a little added fun bonus.
Yeah,
there.
that was cool.
Yeah, 5.
All right.
Just a little magnifying glass there. Okay.
Let's get them all out.
Here's the sheet.
So, Mom, I did find out 1 in 4 will have 6. 1 in 12 will have 7 figures in them.
Ah.
It says it on the bottom.
Ah.
I didn't notice that until now.
All right. So.
Time for you to guess. All right, Mama, who do you think it is?
I'm going to guess Bagheera from Jungle Book. Let's see.
No, it's Baloo.
No, it's Baloo.
We do already, I think
we do
have that
a
Baloo.
Yes, but he's cute.
Yeah.
And this Baloo is a rare, I believe.
He is a rare,
He
yes.
is a rare.
Yes, he's a rare. And look at how cute he is. All right, Mama, start guessing your next one. All right, Mama.
I am going to guess Joy.
All right.
I
You're
was
right.
No, we love Joy. And for those of you who have not seen Inside Out 2, it's very cute.
It's very cute. So here she is. I do not think we had her before.
No, I don't believe so because she's very
glittery.
Glittery, yes.
Circle her and then move on to the next one.
Do that.
All right, tally ho. All right, Mama. Any ideas?
I have absolutely no idea.
Okay.
So we're just going to look and maybe I can guess if I pick the color.
Any idea?
Okay, it looks like it's one of the Incredibles.
Who is
and it is
look, it's Mr. Incredible.
We don't have him.
Yes, we do. We got him in an Incredibles exclusive peak. What are those ones? The collection peaks. That's what they're called.
Mr. Incredible.
Yep. All right, Mama. 2 characters left. Start guessing. All right, Mama. Who do you think it is?
I'm guessing either Tiana or Charlotte, but I think it's Charlotte.
All right. Let's see if you're right.
Oh, I am wrong. It is a princess. And
it is Belle.
And we may have her.
I don't know if we have this Belle.
We have other Bells.
But I don't know if it's this
Belle is
one.
very popular in Doorables.
Yes,
land.
and she is a common.
She is a common.
So just to recap so far, Belle is a common, Baloo is a rare, Joy is a common, and is Mr. Incredible a common, Mom?
Mr. Incredible is a common, yes.
Yes.
He is.
All right, so 1 more left. Hopefully we get a rare or an ultra rare. All right, Mama, who is it?
I'm thinking this is color reveal Mickey.
Are you right?
Am I right? Yes, I am.
Okay, so it's color reveal Mickey. Let's get some water. So basically, to get this to work, we just put him in water and let him sit for a minute. We don't know if he's going to be black and white or if he's going to be in color. So take your guesses in the comments below while I get a cup. All right, Mom, what are you guessing? Is he black and white or colored?
I'm going to guess color.
Okay, I'll go with black and white. In the water he goes. And now we wait. All right, Mickey, how long are you going to drown for? Until you finally reveal yourself. You're really good at holding your breath.
He sure is.
Olympic levels of holding your
right.
breath. We became impatient and we stirred the glass to get it off. Mom, I'm going to go grab a paper towel so we can get him out. All right, everyone, we pulled him out and dried him off. Time for the big reveal. And he is black and white. I win.
She wins.
I win. All right, so we got one of the special editions. We got Belle, who is a common. We've got Baloo, who is a rare. Joy, who is a common. And Mr. Incredible, who is also a common. Anything to say to your fans?
This was an extra fun pack because we lucked out and got a color reveal and also used the little magnifying glass to count how many doors.
Yeah. So do you want to do more of Series 7, Mom?
Yeah.
All right. Come back in another video. Maybe we'll do some more. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. I bought a bunch from Amazon. All right. Bye, everyone.